So I received in my mailbox a letter from Google to allow me to register my business on Google My Business. And in that letter, I've got my verification code. So I'm going to visit the link that they've given me in this letter that they've sent me. And this is the website, google.com/verify-my-business. So I'm just going to enter the code that I've received and click verify. Now, if you registered your account with the wrong email address or with the wrong Google account, do not worry. Now, I've checked the support for this. So somebody had asked a question of I entered the wrong email for my business and got it verified before I knew. How do I change the email? And the reply here says you don't need to change the email that was used for verification because verification email is not used to send emails or manage the account. Any future emails can be sent to the email that's associated with the Google My Business account. So I click Get Started. And now the first thing I'm being offered here is $75 of ad credit for verifying my business. Now, I'm going to avoid this for now, but this is a useful and a common tactic Google uses to help you to get onto Google AdWords. And so I'm just going to go in here and fill in some of the basic data so that I can show up on Google My Business, which is going to improve my website's ranking on the internet. So under the Info tab, you want to go in here and just fill out all this important information. One of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of photos, cover photos. I'm going to add a logo. You click the plus symbol here and you can add a bunch of photos here. I'm going to add a short name. I'm going to add the description that we've come up with so far. This was the meta description that I'd used on the website. You can go in and edit this at any time later. And that's it for now.